Good morning, this is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV up here in beautiful Oregon with a beautiful sunny day, and what a great day to come take a test drive. This unit right here is a 2013 Winnebago Journey 42E. Would love to show you the bells and whistles on this. Of course, Winnebago is one of the oldest names in RVs, known for their engineering and their quality. So let's take a walk around this coach. It is on a Freightliner chassis. Has a full slide here on the passenger side. As you can see, beautiful long luggage doors. It gives us access to the water tank and access to the pull-out here. So look at that beautiful pull-out tray. Those trays are wonderful to use with plastic bins. You can pull that tray out and get to the back. We do have an exterior TV right here. Additional large storage area. Another one here on the passenger side. So this 42-foot with a tag also gives us not only great riding comfort, but gives us nice storage all the way around. Back here in the passenger side rear, we have some shallow storage. As we go around the back, we can see this is a 400 horsepower. So this will run nicely down the road. DEF, our chassis batteries. One of the nice things that Winnebago does is use the fusing here. So basically those breakers will kick and you can reset them. You don't need to go find a fuse, you can just repress it. Service center. One of the little things again that Winnebago does that makes a nice difference is you don't have to feed the hose through. You just drop the door, lay it in, and then shut the door. Much quicker than trying to feed it through a small hole. Whole house water filter. Power cord reel. Again with the floor notch to make it easy. Here we're on the back side of the same compartment we looked at earlier with the double doors. These trays, one interesting thing they do is they will go out either direction. So as you pull them out, you can see why people really enjoy them and like putting plastic bins in them, because you can fill the whole thing, you don't have to dig through things. What a great way to have storage. Then this double door latches twice. Our LP, our water pump, and our drains. Now how's that for nice accessible access to your water pump? Up here we'll have our chassis electrical. Again with the push button circuit breakers, make it easier for you when you're traveling if you happen to have a problem. So nice grays and silvers and blacks on the exterior of this. Give it a upscale appearance. So as we go inside this unit, what a spacious floor plan. So full slide on the passenger side, kitchen, living room slide on this side. You know, this is an L sofa. It'll pull out. It'll come up, create a nice big L. Across from the L, we do have our fireplace and our TV. Beautiful recliner. So when you want to sit and relax or maybe even do a little work, you have a pull-out desk. Extra leaf for the table is stored there. So this table is adjustable. So as soon as I find the latch, There's the latch, and then it'll also come out one more time, and there's a leaf, an extra leaf for it. So you have 2 more chairs back under the bed for this. So there's out all the way, and there's back in the easy storage area. Now, one of the things this type of dinette gives you is additional storage, whether it be for computer peripherals or paper. Nice overheads. Triple door residential refrigerator, name we all recognize, KitchenAid. Has a water filter, does have an ice maker. Opposite that we have our pantries. So as we look kind of back towards the kitchen here, you can see the refrigerator is directly opposite. Here we have a pull-out extension, galley extension for more additional workspace. 3-burner cooktop. Behind the kitchen, because of the depth, the great depth of this one, it also has additional storage. We have 3 drawers that can be used for a multitude of reasons. Nice deep overheads. Convection microwave. We have a water filter system. Even a little soap dispenser. So they move towards the back. This is a bath and a half coach. Here's our center bath. Toilet and lavabo. Our control center. So in here we have our slide out controls, our Magnum inverter controls, this has a Onan generator with the command center. So everything in one place. Back here, wardrobes in the bedroom. So I think you'd be hard pressed to find a floor plan with more storage than this one. King bed, has the reclining back on it, the power back with air. TV that comes out and swivels. We move back here to the back bathroom. Toilet, washer dryer here in the corner. And nice size shower with a light. And look at the storage back in here. 3 medicine cabinets, 2 sides, total of 6 drawers and 3 more doors underneath. I think this one we could probably take everything we could think of with us and a few more things. So if you're looking for a great motorhome built by a quality company, you know, Winnebago has a long history of building highly engineered, high quality units. So please give us a shout. This is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV. Come visit us and take a test drive.